Managing your finances can be a daunting task, but it's also one of the most important things you can do to ensure a comfortable future. Whether you're looking to save for a specific goal or just want to improve your overall financial health, here are 10 tips that can help you get started. Create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses. It's essential to create a budget to understand where your money is going each month. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Start by listing your income sources and all your expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can make adjustments to your spending and savings. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is an important part of building a strong financial foundation. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a home, or start a retirement fund, having specific goals in mind can help you stay focused and motivated. When setting your goals, be realistic and specific. It's easier to work towards something when you have a clear idea of what you're trying to achieve. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have debt, it's essential to make paying it off a priority. Start by paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt. Once you've paid off your high-interest debt, you can focus on paying off other debts, such as car loans or student loans. By paying off debt, you can improve your credit score and free up money to put towards other financial goals. Start an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or a job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Save for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Consider opening a retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k. If your employer offers a 401k matching program, take advantage of it to maximize your savings. Automate your savings. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account can make saving money easier. Decide on an amount you want to save each month, and set up a recurring transfer to your savings account. This way, you don't have to remember to transfer money each month, and you'll be less tempted to spend it. Live below your means. Living below your means means spending less money than you earn. It's a simple concept, but it can be difficult to put into practice. By living below your means, you can free up money to put towards your financial goals. Try to cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as dining out or buying clothes you don't need. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means spending money on things that will improve your life and your earning potential. This could mean taking a class to learn a new skill or investing in your health by joining a gym or hiring a personal trainer. By investing in yourself, you can improve your quality of life and potentially increase your income. Shop around for insurance. Insurance is an important part of protecting your financial future. However, not all insurance policies are created equal. Shop around for insurance policies to make sure you're getting the best coverage at the best price. Consider bundling policies, such as home and auto insurance, to save even more money. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Managing your finances can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Consider working with a financial planner or advisor.